If you are confident in a trade, then I want you to do this one simple thing. And it's literally just a couple clicks of your mouse, and that's it. Tap of your finger if you're on your mobile. But it can make very, very big differences. But the key dynamic here is, are you confident? Confident in what? Confident in the direction that you think whatever you're trading is going to move. If you're confident in your decision, if you're confident in your trade plan, and confidence can fluctuate depending on what's going on, and that's a whole nother rabbit hole. But my point here and the premise I'm operating under is that if you remain confident or even grow more confident, then I want you to consider doing what you're going to see here in this live trade video. So in other words, I'm not talking in theory. I'm not going to just show you some sort of random thing that maybe or maybe not happened. I'm going to take a clip from a live trade that was on my channel so that you know that I'm not talking in theory or anything like that. I want to show you a real life example because then you'll also see how it all works out. So let me just set up the context here. You're about to see me go short on a trade. Going short means I want to see prices go down, because if prices go down, I will make money. I get it. If you're brand new, a beginner, wait, what? You can make money when prices going down? Yes, you can. Again, that is known as shorting a stock or going short a stock. And that's what you're going to see me do here. So again, I want to see prices go down. So let's go to the first part.
Watching 293 here, and I'm going to go ahead and get in at 293.10 on LULU. Looking for this thing to come down through that area. May look to add to it if it does come back down.
And at the very end, you heard me say it. If it comes back down, I may add to the trade. And that's the simple thing that you can do. I know, that's it. I thought I was looking for some sort of magical thing. No. There is no magical thing in trading. Most of trading is just little simple things that you can do. Sometimes they get lost in the shuffle. But yes, in this case, add to your trade. Now think about it. If you're confident or you grow more confident, so in this situation, it was me growing more confident if something were to happen, and in this situation, if the price were to come back down, that would not only keep my confidence that I had, obviously, because that's why I got in the trade in the first place, but it would give me more confidence. So if I become more confident, it would logically go, well, then why don't you add to the trade? Now, do you do this in every situation? No, everything's different, but that's why I keep recircling back and hammering home the premise I'm operating. If you are still confident or even more confident, then yeah, consider adding to your trade. Yes, that does increase risk because you have bigger position size, but it does also increase the reward. And if you are either confident or that much more confident, then why would you not want to increase the reward that you get? Because again, you're confident that the price will go in your favor. So let's see how this turned out. And yes, I will be adding to this trade as a little spoiler alert, but I want to show you the power of how this all works.
Yeah, it's coming down. So going to add another there. So let's see if we can now officially get the break of 293. And we did. So took off 50 there. Still have 50 shares left. Took off another 50 there. Let's see if we can get a break of 290. And looking for a break of 290. I'm glad I added those 50 shares. And I'll be even gladder if we can get the break of 290. Ooh, a lot of buyers right there. Going to go ahead and take off 25. Just in case it does bounce from that area. So still have 25 shares left. Let's see if I can get out there at 289.50. Fantastic. So $396 on that trade. And it is 9:33. So 3 minutes with commissions. Let's just call it $390. 3 minutes. Let's just call it 4 minutes to play it easy. But 4 minutes. $390.
And there you have it. Price came back down. I added. Now, in hindsight, I should have added more, but that's always hindsight, right? Hindsight, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I added to the trade. I'm very glad that I did because those 50 shares that I did add ultimately became very, very valuable and put in a nice quick amount of profit into my pocket after only right around about 4 minutes there. But that was all made possible because I was confident to begin with. I grew more confident, and because I grew more confident, yes, I did increase my risk. That's very true, but that's where the confidence comes into play because I felt confident enough to then that I would be able to increase the reward, to which I did, and things worked out very, very nicely. So just remember that as a trader, you can always add to a trade. So that also means that it's not like you have to go all in at the beginning. If you're, if you're kind of sure, but maybe you could get more confident, then you don't have to start off, and I'll just make this up. Let's say you like to do 100 shares, and that's the max you'll do. You don't have to start off at 100 shares. You could start off at 25, 50. So just remember, you don't have to start off all in because you can always add to a trade if you remain confident or just get that much more confident. So if you enjoy these tip videos, go ahead, let me know down below if you would like for me to make more of those because comments always help out and communication is key. Or just in general, if you enjoy these, hit that like button. But I'd love to hear from you down in the comment section also. And then please check out the channel as a whole. If you like what you see, then I'd love to have you as a subscriber. But yeah, get out there and add to the trade if you're confident. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.